Miss Catherine Bernardo, finally, abay nagsalita na patungkol sa isyong ito. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo of course magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko pong pasalamatan kayo for always watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much sa inyong laging panonood at palagi ang pagsubaybay sa mga updates po natin patungkol kay Catherine at ilang mga celebrity dito po sa ating channel. Thank you so much for always choosing us and trusting this channel. And this time, let's talk about this one dahil finally, si Miss Catherine Bernardo po matapos tumanggap ng award. Ito pala yung ilan sa mga naging speech, laman ng speech ni Miss Catherine na napag-usapan po online. Let's watch.
Welcome. Salamat sa energy niyo. And of course, I would like to thank Edward Circle for this incredible recognition. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo, simula bata ako, yan yung lagi ko nire-remind sa sarili ko. And ngayon, na nakuha ko na naman to, na-consider ako, kailangan nila yung mga kabataan, tayo yung pag-asa nila. So, huwag kayong magsasawa na ipaglaban kung ano yung tama. So sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, especially sa mga estudyante, sa mga minamahal nating guro, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Edward Circle, welcome. Salamat sa energy niyo. And of course, I would like to thank Edward Circle for this incredible recognition. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo, simula bata ako, yan yung lagi ko nire-remind sa sarili ko. And ngayon, na nakuha ko na naman to, na-consider ako, kailangan nila yung mga kabataan, tayo yung pag-asa nila. So, huwag kayong magsasawa na ipaglaban kung ano yung tama. So sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, especially sa mga estudyante, sa mga minamahal nating guro, at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Edward Circle,
Matapos ngang tanggapin ni Miss Catherine Bernardo ang kanyang award bilang most influential celebrity ng kanyang panahon, ay talaga naman nagsalita siya dito kung saan audience niya dito yung mga kabataan. Sinabi niya na sama-sama nating ipaglaban kung ano ang tama. So, sinasabi ng ilang mga fans na ito po ay may kinalaman sa kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan ng ating bansa ngayon, na bagay na kahit ganun po yung sinabi ni Miss Catherine, iba't ibang po yung mga backlash at sinasabing tahimik pa rin daw di umano si Miss Catherine dito po sa issue ng korupsyon. At dahil dyan, iba-iba po ang naging reaksyon ng mga netizen patungkol sa bagay na ito. Sabi niya, Catherine Bernardo is the most influential celebrity award drew criticism after netizen pointed out her lack of commentary on government corruption, the scandals, despite her wide reach. Bernardo, who received her most influential celebrity trophy at the 11th Edux Circle Awards, faced backlash on the internet as the netizen claimed that the actress didn't use her platform to call out the ongoing corruption in the country amid many celebrities speaking up about it. Been a fan of Catherine for like a decade, and this is the first time I will disagree with the award she received. Influential yet didn't use her voice for what's needed. You don't deserve it, Kat, wrote one fan on X. I'll say for the first time, sabi niya, she does not deserve any owns of this award. I saw her acceptance speech on TikTok and she still hasn't spoken about any issue this country's faces right now. Nasa UPD ka pa man din, sis. Influence on things that really matter. Where chim in other netizen. Sabi po ng mga netizen po sa comment section, been a fan of Catherine for a decade and this is the first time I will disagree for award she received. Influential yet didn't use her voice for what needed. You deserve it, Kat. I'll say it for the first time, she does not deserve any ounce of this award. Saw her acceptance speech on TikTok. And yun nga, no, iba-iba po yung naging komento no ng ilang mga netizen patungkol dito. Salamat sa mga naniniwala and sana matulungan tayong lahat para maging maganda ang kinabukasan ng Pilipinas. Thank you to those who believe. I hope we'll help each other for the future of the Philippines, she said in part. Despite the actress' absence and silence on the corruption anomalies, her family showed support to attendees of the nationwide protest against corruption on September 21st by handing out food packs and bottled water to participants of the rally. As of writing, Bernardo hasn't addressed the backlash nor spoken up about the corruption issues in the Philippines. She's currently working on her first TV series with James Reid. So, talagang matindi po. No? Meanwhile, Bernardo shares the most influential celebrity award with Ann Curtis, Marian Rivera, and Ding Dong Dantes. Curtis was among the celebrity who joined September 21 protests against corruption among government officials and other personality. She has consistently voiced her frustration on the alleged corruption. Dantes and the other previously led group of celebrities in a fun run in Makati as their way of protesting against the corruption in the country, which culminated in September 21st twin mass rallies. At the time, Rivera posted post from the League of Filipino Actors. So, ngayon pa lang, talaga namang dami po mga nang babash ngayon kay Miss Catherine dahil sa bagay na ito, ano? May mga masasakit na comments pa nga na sinasabing ito lang yung artista na kahit walang ginagawang masama, ang daming bashers, napansin ko lang, kaya daming blessing influence to stay silent to do nothing. 'Di ba? So, may jowa trapo the award seems to recognize her impact on consumers' behavior, especially her ability to influence people to purchase a product or services she endorsed rather than her influence in a national or patriotic context sense. No, I give it to Vice, whether you like it or not, bash him or love him. Vice remained the most influential celebrity. May mga nagsabi pang not influential, she's actually one of the most silent celebrity regarding the issues ngayon sa bansa. I would be delighted pa kung Vice yan napunta. I like Kat, but to be honest, yung influential mas akma sa tatlong stars. So ganito katindi po yung mga sinasabi ngayon kay Miss Catherine na parang hindi nila matanggap na si Catherine Bernardo po. Kasi yung mga award giving bodies naman kasi, meron po kasi silang kanya-kanya nilang mga categories kung bakit po tinatawag silang most influential. Hindi naman po yun may kinalaman or kailangan pinakamaingay ka sa issue ng government para maging most influential ka. May mga other things pa rin talaga kung bakit po si Miss Catherine Bernardo ang inilagay at ibinigyan ng ganyang award na hindi po natin pwedeng questionin dahil alam naman natin na napakalaki po ng impact at ng influence ni Miss Catherine Bernardo hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas maging abroad. Maaaring ang categories na tinitignan nila dito kaya naging most influential siya doon po sa mga successful niya mga projects, no? At the same time, sa dami ng kanyang mga na parang yung kanyang mga product na ini-endorse, maaaring ganun, 'di ba? Kumbaga parang isa siya sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan na artista sa Pilipinas, no? Hindi naman po 'yan ibig sabihin na kailangan yung pinakamaingay at pinaka talagang lumalaban para sa gobyerno at nagsasalita against the government because of the corruption, siya na po yung deserving na mabigyan ng award, 'di ba? So hindi natin pwedeng questionin kung ano po yung award na natanggap niya. So, kayo po, anong inyong saloobin patungkol dito? Comment down below. That's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone.